debate of Class Quezon Mathematics 9. We have here Group 1 for the first solutions and the Group 2 for the second solution to prove which is much easier solution in which we are going to use to find out the quadratic equation solving given only the roots. Group 1.
Good afternoon, ladies and everyone, especially to you now. We're here in your class to prove that this is easier than the other solution. The given roots are 3 and 4. The result is transpose the root x minus 3 equals 0 and x minus 4 equals 0. To find the quadratic equation, let us have the solution. The quantity x minus 3 times the quantity x minus 4 equals 0. Then we have to distribute. X times x equals x squared. 3 times x equals negative 3x. X times 4 equals negative 4x. 3 times 4 equals positive 12 equals 0. To simplify like terms, copy x squared, 3x plus 4x equals negative 7x plus 12 equals 0. Where a equals to 1, b equals to negative 7, c equals to 12. Therefore, the quadratic equation is x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. No, I'm here in your front to prove that the lesson is easier than the other solution. For example, negative 2 and negative 3. X is the first root and x of 1 is the first root and then x of 2 is the second root. X of 1 equals negative 2 and x of 2 is equals negative 3. First is add the x of 1 and x of 2. X of 1 plus x of 2 equals negative 2 plus negative 3 equals negative 5. Negative b over a equals negative 5 and b over a equals positive 5. The product is x of 1 times x of 2 is equals negative 2 times negative 3 equals 6. C over a is equals to 6. The quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. X squared plus bax plus ca equals 0. And the answer is x squared negative 5x plus x equals 0. That's the solution. Ito pa ang isang solusyon na madaling makuha ang quadratic equation. The given roots are negative 1 and negative 5. The result is transpose the root x plus 1 equals 0 and x plus 5 equals 0. To find the quadratic equation, let us have the solution. The quantity x plus 1 times the quantity x plus 5 equals 0. Then we have to distribute. X times x equals x squared. 1 times x equals positive x. X times 5 equals negative 5x. 1 times 5 equals positive 5 equals 0. To simplify like terms, copy x squared. X plus 5 equals positive 6x plus 5 equals 0. For a equals to 1, b equals to 6, c equals to 5. Therefore, the quadratic equation is x squared plus 6x plus 5 equals 0.
Mas madali yun sa amin kaysa sa inyo. Papatunayan namin yun. This is the example. Point 2. The given roots are point 2 and point 7. X of 1, the x of 1 is sum is x of 1 plus x of 2 equals 0.2 plus 0.7 equals 0.9. Negative b over a equals 0.9. b equals b over a equals point negative 9. The product is x of 1 times x of 2 equals net 0.2 times 0.7 equals 0.14. c over a equals 0.14. The quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. X squared plus b over as plus ca equals 0. X squared minus 9x plus 0.14 equals 0.
This is the other solution for getting the quadratic roots. The given roots are 1 over 2 and 3 over 6. To find the quadratic equation, let us solve the other. X minus 1 over 2 is equal to 0, and x minus 3 over 6 equals 0. Then you have to distribute. X times x equals x squared. Negative 1 over 2 times x is equals 3 over 6. Then x times 3 is equals negative is equals 12. X squared plus 3 over 6 x minus 1 over 2x plus b over 12 x is equals 0. 12x squared plus 6 over 6x is minus 6x plus 3 is equals 0. 12x squared plus 3 is equals 0. A is equals 12, b is equals 3, c is equals 0. The quadratic equation is 12x squared plus 3 is equals 0.
Hindi. Mas madali yung sa amin kaysa sa inyo. And this is the example. And hindi na ganito yon sa amin. Fraction na naman. At ito yon. The given roots is negative 1 over 3 and negative 2 over 4. The sum is x of 1 and x of 2 is equal to negative 1 over 3 plus negative 2 over 4 equals negative 4 plus negative 6 over 12. Then i-add din mo siya kay then negative 4 and negative 6 over 12 and equal negative 10 over 12. Then negative b over a equals negative 5 over 6. b over a equals negative 5 over 6 equals 5 over 6. The product is x of 1 point x of 2 equal to negative 5 over 3 times negative 2 over 4 is equal to 2 over 12. The C8 is 1 over 6. Then the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And x squared plus bax plus ca equals 0. Then x squared plus 10x and 10 over 12 x plus 2 over 12 equals 0. And the answer is 12x squared plus 10x plus 2 equals 0. At nagtataka kayo kung bakit bakit ganito yung answer namin. And wala na siya. Kailangan mo din mag-example.
No, I think your contribution is easier than the other solution. Let us try this. 0.5 and 0.7. The given roots are 0.5 and 0.7.
Okay lang.
The result if transpose is x minus 0.5 equals 0, then x minus 0.75 equals 0. Times the quantity. Quantity x minus 0.5 times quantity x minus 0.75 equals 0. Then we have to distribute. X times x equals x squared. Negative 0.5 times x is equals negative 0.5x. So x times negative 0.75 equals negative 0.75x. Negative 0.5 times negative 0.75 equals positive 0.375. Therefore, the quadratic equation is x squared minus 0.5x minus 0.75x plus 0.375 equals 0.
No. I prove that it's easier than the lesson 1 because our solution is easier than the lesson 1. The given rows are 3 and 5. X is the first rows. X of 1 equal to 3. X of 2 equal to 5. X of 1 plus x of 2 equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 8. Negative b over a equal to 8. b over a equal to negative 8. Product is x of 1 times x of 2 equal to 3 times 5 equal to 15. C over a equal to 15. The quadratic equation is ax squared bx plus c equal to 0. X squared plus b over a x plus c over a equal to 0. X squared minus 8x plus 15 equals to 0. No! This is easier than that solution. The given roots are 4 and negative 6. So the result is transpose the roots is x minus 4 is equal to 0, x plus 6 is equal to 0. The quantity of x minus 4 times the quantity of x plus 6 is equal to 0. To distribute then we have to distribute the equal x squared minus 4x plus 6x negative 24 is equal to 0. So to simplify like terms, copy the x squared copy the x squared and plus 2x. Copy the negative 24 is equal to 0. Where our a is 1 and b is 2 and c is negative 24. Therefore, the resulting quadratic equation. Hindi. At nandito ko para sa sinta, mas madaling solusyonan. The given root are negative 4 and 5. The first given root is x of 1 equals negative 4 and the second is x of 2 equals 5. The first is sum. X of 1 plus x of 2 equals negative 4 plus 5 equals 1. Unlike sign, copy the side of the bigger number and subtract. This equals negative b over 8 1 b over a equals negative 1. The product is x sub 1 times x sub 2 equals negative 4 minus 1 equals negative 3. C over a equals negative 3 equals x sub x squared plus b over a plus c over a equals 0 equals x squared minus x equals 3 equals 0. Hindi. Ito ang mas madali para makuha ang quadratic equation. The given roots are 2 and negative 2. Negative 2. The result if transpose the roots is x minus 2 is equals to 0, x plus 2 is equals to 0. The quantity of x minus 2 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. To distribute the equal x squared plus 2x minus 2x negative 4 is equals to 3 0. To simplify like terms, copy the x squared and we count out the 2x and the answer is negative 4 equals to 0, where our a is 1 and b is negative 4 and c is 0.
No, this is the easier than other solution. The given roots are 3 and negative 3. X sub 1 equals 3. X sub 2 equals negative 3. The sum is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 equals 3 plus negative 3 equals 0. Negative b over a equals 0. b over a equals 0. The product is x sub 1 minus x sub 2 equals times x sub 1 times x sub 2 equals 3 times negative 3 equals negative 9. C over a equals negative 9. The quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. X squared plus b over 8x plus c over 8 equals 0. X squared minus 9 equals 0.
Now, this is easier than your solution. Let us try this. The given roots are 0 and negative 3. To find the quadratic equation, let us have the solution. The result is transpose the root. X minus 0 equals 0. Then x plus 3 equals 0. Then times the quantity. The quantity x minus 0 times quantity x plus 0 is equals 0. Then we have to distribute. X times x equals x squared. Negative 0 times x equals negative 0x. X times positive 3 equals positive 3x. Negative 0 times positive 3 equals negative 0 equals 8. Scratch out the 0, x, then and 0. Therefore, the quadratic equation is x squared plus 3x is equals 0.
No. I can prove my solution is easier compared to the solution of group 1. Because negative 7 and 0 and x sub 1 and x sub 2 equals 7, negative 7 and equals to 0. And then the sum is x sub 1 plus x squared is equal to negative 7 plus 0 is equal to negative 0. Negative b over a equals 7 and then b over a equal to 7. And the product is x sub 1 and x sub 2 is equal to negative 7 and and 0 is equal to 7. C over A is equal to 0. The quadratic equation is x squared plus 3x plus c equal to 0. And then simplify. X squared plus b over a x plus c over a and then equal to 0. The equation is x squared negative 7 equal to 0.
And this is other example of fraction negative quadratic equation. The given roots are negative 3 over 7 and 1 over 5. Their sum if transpose is x plus 3 over 7 equals 0 and x negative 1 over 5 equals 0. To find the quadratic equation, let's have the solution. Quantity of x plus 3 over 7 times the quantity of x minus 1 over 5 equals 0. Then we have to distribute the equals. X squared plus 3 over 7 x minus 1 over 3 x plus 3 over 30 equals 0. Then 35, the quantity of x squared plus 3 over 7x minus 1 over 5x minus 3 over 35 equals 0. 35x squared plus 15x minus 7x minus 3 over 0 is 35 squared plus 8x minus 3 equals 0. Then 8 is equal to 35, b is equal to 8, and c is equal to negative 8. Is it?
The given roots are 5 over 6 and 2 over 3. X of 1 equals 5 over 6, x of 2 equals 2 over 3. The sum is x of 1 plus x of 2 equals 5 over 6 plus 2 over 3 equals 9. Let's find the LCD. LCD of 6 and 3 is 6. 6 divided 6 is 1, times 5 is 5, and 6 divided 3 times 2 equals 4, equals 5 plus 4 equals 9 over capital 6 equals negative b over 8 equals 9 over 6, b over 8 equals negative 9 over 6. So that is x of 1 times x of 2 equals 5 over 6 times 2 over 3 equals 5 times 2 equals 10 and 6 times 3 equals 18. C over 8 equals 10 over 18. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. This equals x squared plus b over 8x plus c over 8 equals 0. This equals x plus 9 over 6 plus 10 over 18 equals 0. And 18x squared plus 27x plus 10 equals 0.
Now, this is easier than your solution. Please try. The given roots are 2 over 5 and 3 over 6. Their sum if transpose is the root. X minus 2 over 5 equals 0. X minus 3 over 6 equals 0. The quantity of x minus 2 over 5 times the quantity of x minus 3 over 6. Then we have to distribute the equals. X squared plus 2 over 5x minus 3 over 6x minus 6 over 20 equals 0. Then 30 the quantity of x squared plus 2 over 5x minus 3 over 6x minus 6 over 30 equals 0. 30x squared plus 12x minus 12x minus 60 equals 0. The quadratic equation is 30x squared plus 60 equals 0. And a is equal to 30, b is equal to 60, and c is equal to 0.
Hindi. Mas madali yung sa amin at papaliwanag ko lang mabuti sa inyo para maintindihan nyo ng mga
examples. Negative 2 over 5 and 1 over 10. X of 1 equals negative 2 over 5. X of 2 equals 1 over 10. The sum is x of 1 plus x of 2. The x of 1 and x of 2 is you add the x of 1 and x of 2 equals negative 2 over 5 and 1 over 10 equals and the LCD is 10. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals negative 4. Then 10 divided by 10 equals 1 and 1 times 1 equals 1. Negative 4 plus 1 is equal to negative 3 over 10 and copy the LCD. Negative b over a is equal to 3 over 10 and b over a is equal to negative b over 10. The product is x of 1 times x of 2 is equal to negative 2 over 5 times 1 over 10 is equal to negative 2 negative 2 times 1 is equal to negative 2 and 5 times 10 is equal to 15 and the CA is equals to negative 2 over 50 and then ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to, and this is the standard form, then x squared plus bax plus ca equals 0. Then x squared plus 3 over 10 is minus 2 over 50 equals 0. Then 50x squared plus 15x is equal to negative 2 equals 0. Then add no, this is easier than your solution. The given roots are negative 0.8 and 0.3. The result is as follows. The roots is x plus 0.8 is equal to 0 and x minus 0.3 is equals to 0. The quantity of x plus 0.8 times the quantity of x minus 0.3 is equal to 0. Then we have to distribute the equals x squared plus 0.8x minus 0.3x minus 0.24 equals 0. Then simplify like terms x squared plus 0.5x minus 0.24 equals 0. Where are a is 1, b is 0.5, c is negative 0.24. Therefore, the resulting quadratic equation. So, ito ang mas madaling gamitin kesa sa inyong solution.
At dito nagtatapos ang recording.
Uy, Jimmy.
Nandiyan na sa inyo kung saan ang pipiliin ninyo, kung saan ang maliwanag at saan ang simple. That's all. Thank you.
Pero, depende na lang kung alin ang mas madali niyong gagamitin na para makuha ang inyong solusyon. Or lesson 4, lesson 1, or lesson 2.